How to enable call screening on your S26 Ultra. Open the call setting, press on three dotted line setting, then here you can see the call screening. Now you have to enable your Galaxy AI first. Sign in with your Google. Make sure your Google account log into with your phone. Once done, then you can see this kind of interface. Press on agree. Not verify me another way. Now once you press on this icon, then here you can see you need to select your language and you have to download your language as well. It's almost complete download. Now installing English language pack. Now it's complete. Now here you can see the auto screening call. You can enable your auto screening call as well and change your voice as well. Now let's make a call. Now here you can see I am making a call to this phone. Then you can see it's live translate is enabled. Hello, how are you?
Translated and live captioned. Hello.
So this is how you can easily enable this translation or call screening on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.